Look at making money in the markets. It's really not that hard when you have a system in place. And let me explain to you my system. And this is actually going to be an extension of yesterday's video where we talked about the VWAP and the 200. So let's get right to the chart. As you guys can see, I'm already up on the morning. Right now, I normally don't play market open, but we have conditions that were met. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off a couple of indicators here, and I'm just going to leave three indicators. Three indicators. This is our GT 500. This is the 200 EMA, and this is VWAP. Now, very simple rule in that when you are above VWAP, this area here, and when you are above the 200, this area here, you go long. And so all I did was wait for the trade to come to me. Okay. That's all I did. Now, where did I wait for that trade to come to me? This is where our other indicators, right, help us develop our thesis. Guys, trading doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be like some sort of like physics or no, whatever that nonsense is. We're not fucking time traveling, guys. We're trading. We're making money. We're not time traveling. It doesn't have to be that difficult. So let's go ahead and turn on, for instance, the closer. Okay, guys, I'm building out the system here, right? So for me, it's candle close. We got 4 minutes and 12 seconds left on this candle. I also have a risk. Now, my risk here is going to be 20 points on NQ. My take profit would be 30 points. That's basically a 1.5 to 1, right? So should I enter on this trade based on my risk? That's where I would set my stop, but I'm not going to do that just yet. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to turn on GT Legends. Now, GT Legends is going to give me my levels, and we can see clearly that we rejected from this level right here. We broke the level. This is right there. You guys see that there? That's where I had my order waiting to take. We broke that level, came up to this level, and we were done. Levels are important. Understand that when the chart is telling you everything, and it's literally giving you the Google Maps of making money, don't argue with it. It's not a person. There's no subjectivity. There's no gray area or compromise. It's either you make money or you lose money. So back to the charts here. We got the rejection. We have this trend line right here in white that you could see. Now we're going to go ahead and build this out some more. We have the Titan GT. Okay, so now Titan GT here, or basically Titan AI, is going to give me not only my levels, but basically my targets, my 1.5 to 1s, right? It basically is just going to draw out the trade design, where your stop should be, where you should adjust your stop, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. And then further along, we go ahead and we use Super Trend. Now, Super Trend is going to go ahead and give us that added additional confluence. So let me go ahead and rewind really quick. So we're going to take Titan GT. We'll leave the closer. We'll leave the GT Legends. Okay. So what do we have here? Multiple confluences. This is what my system's built on. This is what my trade designs are built off. It's multiple confluences. You see here, we got the confluences and we make our money. Really, really that simple. Now we break this level down. Well, we're looking for other opportunities. No, we're not going to go short. We're going to go long. In fact, I believe in my system so much, I'm going to go long once again. Okay. And here we go. Now, where's my stop? My stop's going to be 22 points for my entry. So 23,474. We take that down to 3,555. That's going to be my stop. That's just my stop right there. Okay. So now what I'm looking at is I'm looking at VWAP and I'm looking at GT, and I'm looking to see if we will have some strength in this trend. Now, my TOPIX indicator right here is not going to tell me anything much about that. Okay. What it's going to tell me is if we enter traffic consolidation, which is going to let me know when to get out of the trade. Now, right now, I am down $625. That is hardly nothing. Okay, here we go. Right. My thesis proved correct. Why? We had a very, very big candle and a massive retracement. And baby girl, I'm taking that money. Here we go. I'll take that $1,000. We made that money right there. Now we go ahead and we look at the charts, and I don't even know what my P&L is, right? Yeah, we made $2,300 at market open, right? And the thing is that what market open tends to do, guys, is it makes you feel like you got to flip flop with it. You really don't have to flip flop with it. When you have a system that is giving you a bias, or basically your men, your men or women in the boardroom, all in agreement saying we're bullish via our indicators and via our system, you better believe it. We got 17 seconds left on this candle here. We got that wick. We could see support right there. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and buy some more. Now watch what happens. Here we go. We're going to make some more money. That is why I trade, guys. I trade to make money. So who am I arguing with? There we go. We made some more money. That simple, guys. What are we up? What are we up? $3,000, $2,200 all in a matter of 15 minutes. Guess what? I am done. We are done. This is how you trade market open. You have multiple confluences with your system. You trust your system. You have your rules. Your rules are non-negotiable. In our system here at Trade 1348, we have GT500. If that's green, you're bullish. Now we need another order of confluence. VWAP. Are we above VWAP? Yes. Now we're bullish. Are we above the 200 EMA? Yes. Now we're bullish. Do we have a trade design? Yes. Hey, we're bullish. Okay. And then we go ahead and we couple our levels so we understand where price action is going. Guys, we know where price action is going. And we know where to set our stops. And we know we're coming right back up here, possibly. Okay. And so, guys, trading doesn't have to be so sort of like, again, we're not trying to time travel. And that's pretty much it. I think I'm done. This was a 7-minute video. And yeah, you know what? Come on, let's add some more suspense here. I'm going to go long once again because we're going to make more money. So let's go long. Let's get to this. We're going to make some more money. And why? Why am I going along still? Because I know where the market was. I know where it wanted to go. It was like right up here. And so there you go. Another 750. Hey, 850. I'll take that. Hey, guys, we're merely $4,000. You know what? I should have waited a little longer. I'm shy of $4,000, but yeah, there you go. That level. I'm just scalping a piss out of the market, staying in one direction because my system tells me to. Guys, you want to learn to trade like this. You want to make your money. Yeah, come on, man. Trade1348.com. This is how we do. Right now, let me show you something here. We got a level. That's a level. You see how that level right there? We don't really have much strength in the level. This is where I'm going to look at my guy down here and see if this is going to make a move to the upside. Oh, never mind. It doesn't matter. You know what that means, right? I could go ahead and enter once again, right? If we got another retracement from the level, there was weakness on that level, and this is where I'm going to make my $4,000. This is where I make my $4,000 on the day and be done, right? And right, we got the 4,000. We had the 4,000. Damn it, we had the 4,000 and I didn't take it. And that's fine. Here we go. That's my, it should be my 4,000 for sure. You know what? Let me just do this. I'm going to set my take profit right here. I'm going to set that limit right there. So when it comes back up and it hits it, I make my $4,000. That's simple, right? We know where the market's going. I remain bullish. And do I get a fill? Yes. And $4,452. I'm done here, guys. Peace out. This is trading. This is trading. This is what having a system and having a bias and having multiple confluences do. Check this out at trade1348.com. I'm done. Peace.